How to fix Roblox two-step verification not working or not sending code. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. If your Roblox is not sending you two-step verification code, it usually is a delivery issue or settings issue, not your account being broken, so you can try out these fixes in order to do so. So first of all, we can check the basics first. So when we head over to roblox.com, so let's just go for browser and go to roblox.com. and head over the login page. So while you're trying to log in, make sure that you're using the correct email address. So in this username and email section, make sure that you are using the correct email and phone number linked to your account. And just go and look out for the spam or junk and promotions or social tabs on your Gmail as well, because codes can take a few minutes to arrive. If that does not work, we can also look out for an option of resend code and go ahead and click on it and just go and wait for at least 30 to 60 seconds and click on reset code once again. That should also work out. If not this, we can just go and check out our browser or desktop issues. So on our PC, we can just go over and clear out the cache and cookies. So look out for the three dot in the top right and select the option of settings. After that, go to privacy and security and click on delete browsing data. After that, select this cookies and other site data and click on delete data and confirm it up, and that should also do it. And within this extensions tab, make sure that you have disabled any kind of ad blockers, extensions or VPN, which is very common cause for not receiving any kind of code. That is also, that may be one of the issue. And even if that does not work, we can just go and look at for Roblox contact support and hit enter. Go ahead and find Roblox support page, and there just go over and look out for what issue you have. For example, help with the account. Select one of the reason and just go over and look out for the articles, or directly go ahead and look out for contact us option and go ahead and contact them directly. And you need to fill out this form, providing your username, first name, email address, and many more, and describe your issue, what issue you have, such as can't log in, two-step verification issue, and they can remove or reset the two-factor authentication after verifying the ownership. And that's it. Those are probably the method you can follow for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.